Hello students, so today we are going to discuss the application of decimals, that is addition and subtraction of decimals in different word problems from the exercise 6.2. So as you can see, the first question, Pankaj bought a bag of potatoes weighing 7 kg 250 gram and he used 1 kg or 400 gram from it for making chips. So what is the quantity of potatoes left? So it's a quite simple concept. He had this much, he had used this much, so what is the amount of quantity of potatoes that is left? And of course you have to write the answer in decimal. So first I'll not convert into decimal, I'll do it in the normal way. It is given that Pankaj bought potatoes weighing this much kg and 250 gram. He used 1 kg 400 gram. So let me find out the quantity of potatoes left, that is this minus this. So you'll do normal subtraction, 0 minus 0, 5 minus 0, 5, 12, 1 carry 12 minus 4, 8. So this becomes 6, 6 minus 1, 5. I have to convert it into decimal. So what will I do? As you remember, whenever we convert from smaller to bigger unit, then only we get decimal because we have to divide. So we will not convert this one, we will convert this one. So 850 I will convert to kg. So as you remember, from gram to kg you have to divide by 100. So 3 digits of the 3 decimal place, that is 0.850. So your answer is 5.850 kg. This is the quantity of mangoes that is left. Next, question number 7. 6 I have not done, you can do it. It is given that during daytime the temperature was 78, maximum temperature was 37.8 and the minimum was 14.3 at night. So what is the difference between the two temperatures? So we will subtract. Chinu has to first go to the local market, which is 2 km 600 meter away from his house. He then visited to his friend who lives 4 km 300 meter away from the market. Again he came back to the market from his friend's house. Then what is the total distance he traveled? So just visualize the question like this. Say this is the house of Chinu and this is the market and this is his friend's house. So first he went from house to market, which is 2 km 600 meter. Then from market to friend's house he went again, which is 4 km 300 meter. And then from friend's house he came back again to from market. So the distance will be same, 4 km 300 meter. So first he traveled this much, then he traveled this much, and then he came back again traveling this much again. So what is the total distance that he has covered? So it's quite obvious, this plus this plus this, जाने में इतना आने में इतना. So total will be this plus this plus this. So total so the sentence will be written like this: distance from house to market 2 km 600 meter, distance from market to friend's house this. So this will be taken twice because he has gone from market to friend's house, again friend's house to market. So the distance will be taken twice. So total distance traveled, this one and this one will be written twice here. So after adding you get, here you will get 0 0 0, 6 plus 3 plus 3 12, 1 carry, that gives you 11. So 11 km 200 meter. So again I will convert into decimal. So this one I will convert to kilometer by dividing 1000. 0 0 0 0 cancel, 1 0 left. So after one decimal place, that is 0.2. So 11 plus 0.2, 11.2 kilometer is the total distance traveled by Chinu. So I think you have understood this one. It's quite simple. First this one here to here, here to here, and then back here. So this plus this plus this. Next, question number 8. Rupal ordered a mini meal for rupees 125 and 75 paisa and a lemonade for rupees 40 and 25 paisa. So she ordered a meal of this much rupees and a lemonade of this. Divya ordered a deluxe meal of rupees 175 40 paisa and a soda for rupees 35 and 20 paisa. Then how much did they spend together in the meal? So first I will find out how much did Rupal spend altogether, and then I will find Divya how much she spent, then I will add them. So I have done one thing, I have directly converted them to point. You very well know that 75 paisa means 75 by 100 rupees. So 75 by 100 will give you 0.75. You know this, that for converting from paisa to rupees, you will divide by 100. So it will become 0.75. So 0.75 and rupees 125. So it will give you 125.75. And this one will give you 40.25. So I have directly written that money spent by Rupal 125.75, 40.25. I have added them 0, 7 plus 2 9, 10, 1 carry 6, 6 and 1. Similarly for Divya also, money spent by Divya, she spent 175 and 40 pice, so 175.40, and 35.20 pice, so 35.20 rupees. So again I'll add them: 0, 6, 10, 1 carry, 7 plus 3, 10, 11, 1 carry, 2. So this is the money spent by Rupal, this is the money spent by Divya. I have to spend it together, how much they have spent. So money spent together, this plus this. So 166.00 plus 210.60, the answer is 376.60 rupees spent by both of them. So next question is, Ravi bought 7 kg 750 gram of mangoes. He gave 2 kg 480 gram to his friend and ate 1 kg and 240 gram himself. He then bought 3 kg and 350 gram more mangoes. Then what quantity of mangoes did he have in the end? So first he brought this much, out of which he gave to his friend 2 kg 480 gram and 1 kg 240 gram he ate himself. Then what is the, and after that he again purchased 3 kg 350 gram. Now at the end, how much kg of, or what is the quantity of mangoes that he has now? So what will you do first? That we will first find out that from here, when he gave this much and he ate this much, what was left. With that we will add again the quantity of mangoes that he has purchased and we will get our answer. So Ravi bought 7 kg 750 gram mangoes. It was mangoes, I wrote apples by mistake. Okay. I'm just correcting the thing. So Ravi bought 7 kg 750 gram of mangoes. Mangoes given to friend 2 kg 480 gram. Mangoes he ate 1 kg 240 gram. So how will you find out the mangoes left? First you will find out what is the total mangoes that he has already used by giving and eating, and that you will subtract from the total. So instead of writing it separately, I have written it in one statement: mangoes left, total mangoes minus sum of the mangoes that he has given and eaten. So 2 kg 480 gram plus this. So first I have added this, I got 3 kg 720 gram. Now that will be subtracted from the total one, and after subtracting you get 4 kg 30 gram. Okay, so this is the mangoes now left with him. After this he again purchased, quantity of more mangoes he bought was 3 kg 350 gram. So now what is the total quantity of mangoes that he has? So that this was left, this is what he has brought. Now we will add them. Quantity of mangoes Ravi have now, this plus this. So after adding you get 7 kg 380 gram. I have to convert to kg so that I get in decimal. So I am not showing the steps anymore. As you can see, you already have 3 digits here. So by 1000 means 1, 2, 3. So 7.380 kg is the mangoes that he has at the end now, after eating, giving, and then again bringing some more mangoes. This is the total mangoes that he has now. So in this way only you can do question number 10 is of same type, question number 11 is also same type, 12 is also, all of this same type question only, plus minus this thing. One more I'll do, that is question number 14. The temperature of a city at 10 am was 28.4. It rose by 5.2 degree during the next 4 hours. So at the beginning at 10 am this was the temperature. In the next 4 hours the temperature rose by this. After a rainfall, the temperature went down by 4.8, and then again by 5 pm it again rose by 2.2. Then at last at 5 pm what was the temperature? So it's quite simple concept. First this, it rose by this means what? This plus this, it has increased, but then again it is decreasing by 4.8, so minus 4.8. Then again it is increasing, so it is plus 2.2. So what I have done is that I have done all of them together instead of doing separately. Otherwise it becomes quite long statements will come. If you write that temperature after increasing is this, temperature after rainfall is now is this, so it becomes quite long. So just first I have written like this: what was the temperature at 10 am? It was 28.4. In the next 4 hours it went up by this. After rain it went down by this, and again it rose by this. So what was the temperature at 5 pm? So first of all, because it rose, it increased. So 28.4 plus 5.2. Then it went down, that means it decreased, so minus 4.8, and then again it rose, so plus 2.2. So first I'll add these two. After adding I get 33.6. Then I'll subtract 4.8. After subtracting I get 28.8, and at last I will add 2.2, which I get 31.0. So 0 does not have any value after decimal, so 31 degree Celsius. So this is how you can do the rest of the sums. the sums that I have not done here, you can do them, which is all plus minus only. Just need to do the calculation correctly and convert it into decimal. Thank you.